Welcome to Magic's Audio Studio, the audio recording, editing, and mastering tool of Magic's Music Studio. This tutorial is just a quick introduction and explains the most important steps of how everything works. From the first recordings, cuts and effects to mixing and CD mastering. After starting the program, open a new project. Activate the default work area. The buttons and menus that are required for normal work with the program are now displayed. Start the recording by pressing the record button on the transport control. The recorded material appears immediately on the track. Press the record button of the next track and record another one. Now record a bass track while the other tracks are being played. This way you can record as many tracks as you want. Multi-track recording is simple with Magic's Audio Studio. You can start or stop the playback with the space key. Using the mouse, set the play cursor into the timeline or mark an area there. With the object handles, the guitar track is softly faded in and out. The volume can be quickly corrected using the middle handles. Double-clicking on an object opens the object editor, which displays numerous possible effects. You can gain access to the sound restoration tools, dehisser and denoiser, via cleaning effects. These help remove annoying distortions from your recordings without any problems. The sound effects button will bring you to the Audio Studio effects rack. Compress the bass track a bit more. Or optimize the sound with the 10-band graphic equalizer. You can find a list of typical applications in the Tasks menu. Simply select the task and you'll get the corresponding solution. Audio editing demands a lot of computer power. The new Simple Freeze function enables you to freeze complete objects and tracks so that additional computing performance is made available. Right-click on an object or a track and choose Freeze. Magic's Audio Studio provides numerous virtual instruments which can be accessed via the Synth button. Robota is a virtual analog 4-track drum synthesizer with an integrated step sequencer and a large selection of drum and pre-programmed beats. You can also create your own beats and load your own drum samples into Robota. Controller movements can also be automated. It's probably best just to twiddle the knobs around. It will probably take a while until you can fully use all the possibilities of Robota. But you should keep trying, it's worth it. Try out the other options of Magic's Audio Studio as well, like the virtual drummer Livid or Magic's Elastic Audio Easy. You can influence the pitch of an object with Magic's Elastic Audio Easy for each sample. Now it's time to mix. Open the mixing desk. The fastest way to do this is by pressing the M key. Set the equalizer and volume for each effect. There are lots of real-time effects like dynamics, reverb, delay, FFT filter, and stereo enhancers. The multi-band compressor assures optimal pressure behind your full sound. Magic's Multimax optimizes the dynamics, that is, the progression of the volume. The sound's naturalness remains. You can burn audio CDs directly with Magic's Audio Studio. Before burning, the CD track markers have to be set to the beginning of the track. Before burning your CD, Magic's mastering suite lets you master your sound perfectly. The professional mastering unit includes all effects for making your music sound even more powerful. An intuitively controllable parametric 4-band equalizer, an effect for enhancing the stereo field, and a multi-band compressor for powerful sound and optimized total volume. Afterwards, you can begin the burning process with a single click. The audio CD can be mastered and is fit for the CD manufacturers. The project can, of course, be saved as a WAV file or as one of the internet formats WMA or Real Audio without intermediate steps. To end, one more short overview of one of the great new features. Auto Jam Session lets every home user jam with a virtual band thanks to its practical automation. This is practical as not all band members always have to be present. So now it doesn't matter if you're a guitarist, keyboard player, or drummer. You can play your own solos thanks to selectable music styles like jazz, Latin, or R&B, which can of course be recorded simultaneously. Just try it, you'll see how much fun it is. That's our quick introduction for now. The Magix team wishes you lots of fun and many creative ideas. The Magix team.